Hello, I'm Paddy Madden. Desmond and I would like to welcome you to our website, Engage with Nature. This website covers biodiversity, seasonal nature, and organic gardening. All in all, it encourages people to tread lightly on the earth. Birds need to bathe regularly to ensure that their feathers are in peak condition. A bird bath will do this, and it'll also be used for drinking. You will need a lid of a refuse bin or something like it, old bricks, 5 kilograms of ready mix cement, and a paint scraper. Cover the lid with a light coating of cement. When it hardens, it will provide a secure footing for the birds. Place the lid on the bricks to keep it off the ground. Position the bird bath near trees or shrubs so that the birds have perches for shaking off excess moisture. Pour water into the bath to a depth of about 7.5 centimeters. Too much water can actually drown the birds. Make sure to change it regularly. Thank you for viewing this video. We have over 90 more videos plus images and resources on our website. So please tread lightly on the earth as you engage with nature.